The most famous Italian salad in the world was actually invented in Mexico on the 4th of July weekend, 1924. A holiday rush during Prohibition completely emptied Cesar Cardini's Tijuana restaurant. To save the day, Cardini improvised right at the table using the last ingredients in his kitchen: romaine, olive oil, a coddled egg, Worcestershire sauce, Parmesan, croutons, and lemon. Crucially, the original recipe had no anchovies, an addition that always irritated Cardini. Yet, the anchovy version became so popular, it crowded out the original. Today, the Caesar is the most ordered salad in America. You can easily do this classic tableside prep yourself in a wooden bowl. It takes just 12 minutes and tastes nothing like the bagged version. Make it from scratch today and send this to whoever puts chicken on a Caesar without asking. If you want to learn more, visit nationaltoday.com.